Now we are going to start the new topic, that is open an existing spreadsheet. Okay, so firstly we need to open the package, and after that uh, we use the option to open an existing file. Click on the office button, and in the office button we can see a open option. Okay, and in the right side is send documents. Click on the open option. Now we can see a open dialog box will appear on the screen. Okay, and then we can see all the navigation section. There is a location of the files: C drive, D drive, E drive, and document is my default location. Now we can see the file in documents library section. Select the file, and now we can click on the open option. The selected file is open on our screen. Okay, and the data we can see on the sheet, and the file name appear on the title bar. So this is a process to open an existing spreadsheet